Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use multiple accounts with one Telegram application. So it's really quick and really easy. All you have to do is click on the menu button here at the top left and click on this drop down icon. Then underneath it you can see the add account button, which we'll click on, and you should be prompted with this login page. So you can use an alternative way to log in, but for sake of ease I'll be scanning this with my mobile app. There we go. And I am now logged in. So if you'd like to switch between these accounts, you can do so by going back to the menu and clicking on which account you'd like to use. So if you ever want to hide it, you can also click on this button to quickly show and hide it. So I'm going to go back to my main account and I'm going to go to my alternate account. So that's how you can quickly change between multiple Telegram accounts. This is really useful if you're managing multiple accounts for multiple, let's say, internet personas. For example, a personal account, then your influencer account, etc. etc. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.